Hi, I'm Dory DeCamillis from Red Dot Gallery. Today we're going to learn how to draw a sprocket. I'm going to draw a sprocket from the side. So I'm going to start with an ellipse, which is a circle on its side basically. And I'm going to draw another ellipse. And I'm going to draw another ellipse. And notice how, because it's on its side, the side that's closest to me is wider. And it's smaller back here because that's farther away from us and we can't see it. We can't see as much of it. I'm going to draw some little holes that are centering. That one's not right. You want them kind of horizontal. You want them sort of elliptical like your other ellipses. And they're going to be a little thinner back here. Now I'm going to draw the spikes. Notice how they get bigger as they're closer to me. Notice how they do point out in sort of a horizontal way. They are not sticking straight up and down, as in here. Now to make it look three-dimensional, I'm going to draw an inside lip here. And I'm going to draw the edge, the side edge here of the spikes coming out. You're only going to see the front parts. We don't have any for the back. Then I can shade. These fronts to make it look, the light would be coming from the back if this were the case because we've got our three-dimensional front parts shaded. And then I would recommend giving a little stronger outline to at least the parts that are up against the shadows to make the drawing look a little stronger. I'm going quickly here for the sake of the video, but you could make this a lot cleaner. And you could even, if you wanted, shade in your holes, because technically if they are going down, if they really are holes, they're going to have a little shadow, slightly darker up there at that top edge. I'm going to make this circle a little lighter because it isn't defining space. And this is how you draw a sprocket.